akin. Ito, sente mo lang talaga sa'yo.
Certificate.
May wine.
Wine. Lalasingin nila ako. Madam Ophelia Aguinaldo is our corporate auditor. Ano siya? Retired Chief Assessment Head ng Commission on Audit. Yan, 10 days, Madam Ophelia. Ganyan kabigyan ang grupo ko. Nandito si asan na yung isa, lumabas na. Lumabas si
Madam Rose.
Yung kumukuha ng video sa inyo, kilala nyo? Hindi ba kilala? Hindi ba siya kahawig ni Mama Adela? Kapatid siya ni Mama Adela. Diba? Nag-class pa. Di ba pala sila maganda?
Mas maganda ako.
Mas maganda daw siya.
Joke lang.
Mas maganda siya. Ayun. May tanong ka? Sino ba may gustong magsalita? Wala na? So, kung wala na, get ready for your next month na school paper. Siguro naman tomorrow, makaka-create na kayo ng mga articles ninyo. Okay? Nakapag-isip na kayo kung ano magandang title na school paper nyo. And we will make a logo out of it. And that's it. You have your school paper in 1 month. Okay? So thank you very much for this afternoon and for giving me the time. Topic natin, para lahat kayo will deliver good speeches in the future. Okay? Any more questions? Wala na. May usan ng question.
Question.
Okay, come forward.
What steps do you take to protect the privacy of individuals mentioned in articles?
Come again, 5C.
Privacy.
Privacy! Oh! Ay, di. Pagka-90 mo yan, di. Walang nakabasa. Kaya ka may school paper is naglalabas ka ng information, eh. Diba? Siguro, maybe a question is, how can you protect that my school paper will not be copied? That's where plagiarism is. At kinopya yung article mo, that's plagiarism. Yan. The privacy, there's no privacy kasi ito, school paper ito. You will have to expose it. Ang newspaper, ganun din eh. May paputok ang school paper, kaya may mga cases ng libel. Kasi pati yung personal life binibira. Kaya naman sila nakakasuhan ng libel. Mga denials, hindi naman totoo, dinadyaryo. Yun, doon na mapapasok yun. Ba, ano ba naman kakasuhan sa'yo? School paper ka? Nakinis lang kami ng kalsada. I mean, ginaryo mo, nilagay school paper mo. Who will charge you? Ba, that's your freedom of expression. Okay, anymore? Sige, halika dito. Okay, let's get it.
How does a school paper help promote student journalism and writing skills?
The same way, journalism, you're starting a journalism career by having your own school paper. Diba? Pag nakapaglabas ka sa school paper, in every month or every edition, meron kang article, that's now making you a journalist. Baka ma-discover ka pa niya, Madam Davila. Ma-discover ka na ABS-CBN. Ay, this one article is good. Look for that guy. I-hire natin niya. Bigyan natin 100,000 naman yan. Ganun nyo? Kasi may expose ka na eh. Nakikita yung mga publications mo, yung articles mo, out of this world, na nakakatulong sa community, somebody will hire you. Anymore, the OVP angels, so sila, alam nyo, may kanya-kanya katangian na mga yan. Si Madam Jella Marquez is a structural engineer. At hindi, Madam Jella, yan, structural engineer yan. Si Joy, April Joy Dinaga. April Joy, well, like I told you, how to make content, papaturo tayo sa kanya. Okay. Ito maganda. Ito. Pag nabuo nyo na yung paper ninyo, yung officers ninyo, pagawa kayo ng website kay Joyce. Ayan o. Joyce. Ayan. O di meron na kagad kayong sarili online na school paper. Bigyan nyo lang lahat ng contents kay Joyce. And she will do it. Siya na mag-aayos. Mayroon kayong website reporting. Actually, online pa. Diba? Magiging digital siya. Kaya lang mas gusto ko maglalabas kayo ng print material. Yun yung first vision natin. Kasi yung digital, madali lang. Yung hard copy mo, picturean lang ni Joyce yun, isa by page. Lalabas sa website. Digital na kagad. Yung sarili niya. Okay. You try to make your own article, yung sarili mo, sarili yung gawa mo. Huwag ka mamamapya. I believe that's the best way to start. But later on, you will realize, hindi lang yan. Kasi lahat ng nasa isip ko, sinasabi ng artificial intelligence. Diba? But I'm not trying to encourage you. Limited ba? Yung mind ko, hindi ko ba mapapractice yung aking mind to say and write while I am thinking? Kaya. But AI na tutulungan ka lang niya sa mas madaling paraan. Meron na tayong isang in mind, the first edition of St. Augustine School Paper. Ready na kayo, ha? Posibleng walang kumukuha ng picture dyan. Imposibleng walang picture si Madam Adela dyan. Imposibleng walang picture si Madam Lucia dyan. Okay, mag-interview kayo kung anong secret ni Madam Lucia. Bakit hanggang ngayon, maganda pa rin siya. Di ba? Tanungin mo siya. Sigurado sasagutin ka niya.
Ngayon na ba, sir?
Hindi, assignment nila yun. That's their first job to make an article to be published on the first edition My target is 1 month. I'm giving you 4 weeks to prepare. Magpapaprint tayo ng first school paper ng school. Get? May tanong pa? Sino ba gusto magtanong? Halika. Come forward. Oh, sika.
Christy Juliana Opiaza. So my question is, how do you measure the leadership or engagement with the school paper?
Leadership, kayo ang magdi-decide nun. Diba? Not me. Not even AI. Alam niyo kung sino ang mag-lead sa inyo. Diba? Pagtindig lang dito ng leader ninyo eh. Alam niyo na kung sino siya eh. Diba? Diba? Now, to identify yung traits niya as a good leader, eh kayo nakakaalam nun. But first, to become a leader, I will tell you, meron kasi criteria to become a leader. Meron siyang sinusunod. Like in my work before, sa Unilab, it's a big company. Every seminar, tinuturo sa amin yung P, L, O, and C. Alam niyo ibig sabihin nun sa management? A leader must have and possess the following. He must know how to plan. He must know how to lead. He must know how to organize. And he must know how to control. But most of all, a good leader must know how to delegate. Yun yung secret. Din yung secret eh. 75 lang ako. Yung aking magna cum laude. Utusan ko lang. Ganon yun. Kasi, yung mga characteristic natin, kanya-kanya yan. Atin yun. Individual traits yun sa'yo yun. Pag tumayo ka rito at hindi ka naninig, you're a good leader in the first place. Ganun yan. So, dapat kilala mo pa. Eh, pag may pinatayo ka rito, kung ano, mahina. Ay, wala yun. Hindi pwede mag-represent na school paper yun ganun. Right? Kaya sisingit ako, maybe after 2 weeks, in a corporate work. That was 1998. Kaya lang, tumakbo may parehas na kagawa ng bayan. Hindi ko nagpilala. So we focused on our individual careers. Dito siya nag-concentrate. At the same time, hinihingi yung kanyang services ng Poblacion Norte. So nandyan lang siya for life. Ako naman, nasa life na. As you can see, I devoted my time most on the trainings, not only religion, but like on this case that you're having right now, school paper pala. Nasabi sa akin ni Mama Diela, Sir, sa dami na mga topic na binubuksan sa GC natin, baka mapunta ka for the home for the agent. You know why? Because yung grupo ko, yan yung grupo namin. Yan, kikita yung uniform na yan. That represents Lingap Kapwa. Okay, adopted from the values, institutions in the government. Yung Lingap ng DSWD, we adopted it in CIT. We call it OBP Lingap Kapwa. It's the same services we're providing assistance to our indigent children in the province. Yan na. So, to cut it short, engage ko pala ako. Akala ko ano yung St. Augustine College. I was a product of St. Augustine. Kaya lang sa Bacolod. Doon ako nag-umpisa ng mga values ni St. Augustine. And I think your school is focused on caregiving, madam? What? Caregiving and other related courses for you to be able to find your job in the future. Okay, first inquiry, unang tanong. School paper publications. Do you have any background or is this your first time to have a school paper? First time. So, wala pa kayong idea kung paano mag-umpisa magkaroon ng school paper. I think you already have seen during your high school days. Nakita hindi lang kayo aware. Yung mga programs na ginagawa ng schools, that's part of it. Now, to have your own school paper, of course, ano bang nilalaman nito? Anong first requirement mo? To have it run. Empty ka, you don't know anything. Where will you start? Okay, first content to focus on, create your own school paper logo. Yun ang mauuna. Kasi yun ang mag-umpisa, may logo ka. Okay, tingnan niyo yung mga uniforms ninyo, may logo. Diba? You can start with that. Kasi official na yan eh. Official na yan. And then later on, you just try to design something like that will represent the paper. See? Pwede nyo nang paikutan niya na name of your paper. See, that's the first content. Next. Pagka ikaw ay nag-iisip ng school paper, kinakailangan dyan, meron kang how many types of publications are you going to have? You will be required, maybe perhaps, by our team, our Mama Della, to require you on how many publications are you going to make as a school paper. Will it be a monthly? Will it be quarterly? So quarterly, that's good. That means when you say quarterly, you have to compile all your activities in 3 months' time. And in 3 months' time, ipunin yan at gumawa kayo ng article on its activities. Yun na yung content. Simple lang. Kung nagbabasa kayo ng newspaper, ito headlines niya. Sakali, ang una nyo activity is ng outreach program. Meron ba outreach program ang school? Okay, that's your headline. And then, capture me picture, lagyan mo ng caption, and that's your first report. Nakuha niyo yan? School paper? Picture, caption, headlines, that's your first one. Ilan yung activities ninyo? Summarize, tapos document nyo lahat ang mga activities ninyo, and you have your school paper. Now let's go to printing. Pag printing naman, iba yan sa newspaper. Ang newspaper is a tabloid, right? Malaki siya. Simple. Mas malaki sa book. A4 size. A4 size is good enough for the school. Pwede na A4. Okay? So, ilang picture ang pwede magkasya sa A4? Ilang articles ang pwede ilagay sa isang page? So, I'm now making you a picture of what's the content of your paper. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung set of officers ng school. Yun ang iyong pambungat palagi doon. You have your first page, yung malaki mong page, name of your paper, and then inside, you tawag doon, the first inside, front, inside, cover are your officers. And then, third mo, siyempre may greetings ka. Dali lang yun. Picture ni Madam Lucia, ilagay mo yung kanya mga information doon and make an article for her. That's your third page. And your fourth page is Ma'am Adela, or maybe the school administration itself. Nga pala, naalala ko. I talked with Madam B, and we're talking about an additional course, additional course for St. Augustine, a theological class that will be given free to the students. Well, I know, maybe sometime you will be going to, we will be giving schedule on moral values, the dogmas, of whatever religion you have. Hindi naman siya straightforward, yung teachings ng life where I belong. But it's a universal religion. Everybody reads the Bible. O kung ano ka, Muslim ka, we can discuss the principles, the dogmas of the Quran. See, ganun. Like, sa Masonry, alam niyo sa Masonry, sabi nila, ay, secret organization niya. It is not. Because in our altar, we have an open Bible and an open Quran. See? Ganun yun. Kaya in life, dapat ganun ka rin. Huwag mong sinabi, kung saan ako nag-iisip, nang din ako mamamatay. Don't do that. Dapat flexible ka in life. Diba? Marami na. Marami na nagbago sa aking panahon. Diba? Sabi natin nung mula elementary tayo, December 25 is the birth of Jesus Christ. Pero ngayon, ang mga bagong pari, naniniwala sila na hindi pala December 25 ang birthday. Of that, when I got my approval from the school admin, by that time, na pwede na akong magturo. Okay, next. Bringing you back to the school paper, nasa 4th page na tayo, right? Nasa 4th page na. Yung susunod na pages na ay yung mga nakuha na ninyong mga activities. So you better train on making articles, making write-ups. Ngayon, wala nang hirap ang paggawa ng article. Bakit? Panahon na po ngayon ng AI. Pagka nagsulat ka sa AI ng religion, lalabas lahat ang informations about religion. It's the same way now in school paper. Meron kayo activity? No, meron kayo activity? Ano yung activity ninyo? Sulat mo lang sa AI and the article will follow about that. So there's no more difficulty in having your targets. School paper. Ano ba? Okay. Nasa loob na tayo ng school paper nyo. So, if you want it to grow more, you can solicit for somebody to sponsor your school paper so that you can have it printed in presentable manner, like color, glossy. Marami na rin printer ngayon that can provide you such as that. Nandito yung team ko, meron tayo itong artist. Nandyan si Joy. Artist siya on web design, artist siya sa layout. Kaya yung trabaho ko sa CIT Grand Reunion, napakadali. Ganunin ko lang siya yung pag-emide. O maya-maya mo nandyan na. Ganun po kabilis ang OBP. Now, in your school paper now, so, konti lang ang kailangan mong panahon. Everything is provided. May question ka, you have your AI that will solve everything. Okay, kuha nyo? Basta, lang ngayong panahon naman, lahat na may cellphone, di ba? Sa cellphone mo lang, makikita mo na eh. You can make your article even without you thinking. Hindi ka nag-iisip ng article. Lalabas ang lalabas siya. Google mo lang yun eh. Di ba? Sakali, Google mo nursing services. gusto ko maging empleyado ako ng isang nursing hospital. Someday, na magamit ko yung aking pinag-aralan sa St. Augustine. Search mo lang yun eh. Ibigyan kayo. And where do you want to apply? Lahat po yan, yung pinapagawa ko sa inyo, that is the start. Pag-research mo. Tanong pa lang yung pinapahanap ko. Oh, anymore? Yan, nahiya lang siya. Sige, sanayin natin ang ating mga sarili.
What is the purpose of this paper?
What is the purpose of the paper?
Purpose of the paper?
Newspaper.
What is the purpose? Okay, bakit ka gumagawa ng school paper? For everybody in the community to know what you have been doing, ano yung mga ginagawa ninyo. Kaya ka nag-create ng paper para itong information. These are the things we have been doing in St. Augustine, announcement. So a school paper is also an announcement. The activities of the school. Nakuha niyo? Siguro dito, mag-propose ako ng public speaking course. Para mawala yung inyong mga takot. Next question. Ayun yan. Christian, you come forward please. So you can be heard. Okay, gusto mo? Okay, sige.
How can a school paper raise awareness about important issues facing the student body?
Very good question. Pwede ilagay mo sa article mo. Di ba? Sakali. Students awareness. How to make the students be aware of what they have been doing. Author, Christian. What's the content? Get it from the Google. Oh, may problema kayo. See? Walang kahirap-hirap. Diba? Awareness ang sinabi niya, hanapin mo ulit yung awareness sa Google. Lalabas yung content, and that's your article. You have become the author in an instant. Kuha mo, Christian? Okay. Next question. Meron pa? Iya sila. Sige, next week, pagbalik ko. Meron daw doon. Sige, come. Pick up. Come forward.
Sir, as what you've mentioned po earlier, that nowadays we are living in a world of AI. Would you encourage us po to use AI or our own work? Because kasi po pag naggamit kami ng AI, is it a cause of plagiarize po, sir?
Plagiarism? No. AI allows that. Kaya nga artificial intelligence it's only to support what's in your mind. You can compose your own composition. Okay. But for you to make your job easier, do it. And then you edit it. I-edit mo siya. Kung ayaw yung sinasabi niya, you can edit. Diba? Ang sabi din ng kapatid ko from Toronto is already a priest. Sabi niya, if I'm going to make AI, para hindi ako yung salita. Sabi niya. But check your thoughts. Ang lahat ng nilalaman ng thoughts mo, sinasabi ng AI. Now, if you don't want that, you can edit. Ibigay yung gusto mong word na gusto niyang lumabas. And the word ng plagiarism is, ang plagiarism is only allowed sa mga book articles na nakalagay Sabi niya, this is my own idea. I am the author of this. Bakit? Kung ikaw ba ay mangungopya, word for word, pati comma, papakihin mo? Of course, you have to modify it. Nakita niyo yun? So there's no plagiarism. There's no plagiarism. Ano ba naman ang mundo? Di ba lahat ng mundo, iniram naman natin lahat? Di ba? Wala naman dito sarili niyang yung sarili niya. Okay. You try to make your own article, yung sarili mo, sarili yung gawa mo, huwag ka mamamapya. I believe that's the best way to start. But later on, you will realize, simple lang yan. Kasi lahat ng nasa isip ko, sinasabi ng artificial intelligence. Diba? But I'm not trying to encourage you. Limit at that. Yung mind ko, hindi ko ba mapapractice yung aking mind to say and write what I am thinking? Kaya. But AI na tutulungan ka lang niya sa mas madaling paraan. Kami nasa meron na tayong isang in mind, the first edition of St. Augustine School Paper. Ready na kayo, ha? Posibleng walang kumukuha ng picture dyan. Imposibleng walang picture si Madam Adela dyan. Imposibleng walang picture si Madam Lucia dyan. Okay, mag-interview kayo kung anong secret ni Madam Lucia. Bakit hanggang ngayon, maganda pa rin siya. Di ba? Tanungin mo siya. Sigurado sasagutin ka niya.
Ngayon na ba, sir?
Hindi, yung assignment nila yun. That's their first job to make an article to be published on the first edition. My doctor is 1 month. I'm giving him 4 weeks to prepare. Papaprint tayo ng first school paper ng school. Get? May tanong pa? Sino ba gusto magtanong? Halika. Come forward. Oh, sige.
Christine Juliana Oclaza. So my question is, how do you measure the readership or engagement with the school paper?
Leadership, kayo ang magdi-decide nun. Diba? Not me. Not even AI. Alam niyo kung sino ang mag-lead sa inyo. Diba? Pagtindig lang dito ng leader ninyo eh. Alam niyo na kung sino siya eh. Diba? Diba? Now, to identify yung traits niya as a good leader, eh kayo nakakaalam nun. But first, to become a leader, I will tell you, meron kasing criteria to become a leader. Meron siyang sinusunod. Like in my work before, sa Unilab, it's a big company. Every seminar, tinuturo sa amin yung P, L, O, and C. Alam niyo bang sabihin nun sa management? A leader must have and possess the following. He must know how to plan. He must know how to lead. He must know how to organize. And he must know how to control. But most of all, a good leader must know how to delegate. Yun yung secret. Dinisip ko 75 lang ako. Yung aking magna cum laude. Utusan ko lang. Ganon yun. Kasi yung mga characteristic natin, kanya-kanya yan. Atin yun. Individual traits yun sa'yo yun. But tumayo ka rito at hindi ka naninig. You're a good leader in the first place. Ganun na yan. So dapat kilala mo pa. Eh, pagka may pinatayo ka rito, kung ano, mahina. Ay, wala yun. Hindi pwede mag-represent na school paper yung gano'n. Diba? Kaya sisingit ako, maybe after 2 weeks,